in Charlotte County.
NBC2 Samantha Serban is live at Eldred's Marina by the Boca Grande toll area. Sam?
Hey guys, so yeah, we just moved over from the Inglewood area over to Boca Grande, and right now the rain has actually dried up a little bit for you guys. Not too bad. Just a few minutes ago, it was raining pretty hard. I didn't know if you were to be able to see me a little bit of a distance away. But the thing that I want to focus on here, we actually had to move our van. So if you look here, you can probably see the reflection of the water. This goes down into a boat ramp area. We're actually here at a marina, and because we had to move the van, we can't necessarily show you what we originally planned on showing you, but the water is coming up here fast. Originally, we were probably about 10 feet forward, felt like it was safest to move the van back, where I'm actually gonna walk down here, kind of give you an idea of how far water this is. You know, it's coming from both sides here. There is a little canal heading out to the river and into the Gulf over here. The Gulf itself is behind this patch of trees this way. And as we come down, this water is crossing this road here. So any cars, there's only one car parked back in this area, but all of these cars, it's not the best bet. Because it's so far away, I'm not gonna take you all the way down to where the water is rushing into this area. But I'm afraid as this continues to rain, as this water continues to come in, we're just going to see more and more water piling up in this area. Again, we're in Boca Grande. This is right next to the toll bridge. So this is an area many of us are familiar with. And so as it starts to rain a little bit, guys, I just want to let you know this is kind of the most flooding we've seen out here so far. We saw a little bit of localized puddling almost. I wouldn't even say flooding, but puddling over in the Inglewood Beach area. But this is by far the most that I've seen as we've driven around Charlotte County for the past few hours. You can see the rain is picking up right now. This is probably what the heaviest is that we've seen. We've driven around from Fort Myers to Punta Gorda to Inglewood, now here to Boca Grande, to give you just the sights and the sounds of the different things happening here in Charlotte County as we're expecting to get some of that heavier gust from Idalia as it moves past our coast, past just up north of us. So this is the area that is probably going to see some of the worst hits in our viewing area. So that's why we're here bringing you to these different communities, different parts of Charlotte County. Like I said earlier at Inglewood Beach, those people were pretty calm about this storm. They were not scared. They were not panicking. That's a great thing to see after Hurricane Ian. They said they learned a lot of their lessons, and they're just taking this one with a breath, with relief. You know, they did their preparations. They were ready, but they still found the beauty in it. Many of them going out to the beach, watching the waves come in before the rain and the wind set in. At that point, it was pretty nice outside, I'd say. You know, we had all this heat lately, so the rain was actually making things cooler, making things calmer, but it was nice to see the waves, and that's what everyone was telling me when they were out there. Now, when the sun went down, rain started, all those kind of people kind of went away pretty quickly, which is what we want to see. As the rain picks up, as the wind picks up, we don't want to see people out on the roads for their own safety. That's something that we want to do for them, and so that they can get home, get safe, and not have to worry about driving and any of that. We know that's just probably not the best thing to do. So of course, as this continues, we'll go ahead and keep you updated on what it looks like here, and then in a few hours we'll drive around again to give you a perspective from a different point of Charlotte County. But for now, I'm live and local from the Boca Grande area. Samantha Serban, NBC2.
Aside from the tornadoes, big concern heading into overnight is the storm surge.
So we already saw